Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the file open and the mats visible. Click Make It Now and go straight to Matte Preview. Once there, make sure to hide any layers you won't cut, because color sync only affects visible layers. Next, you need to attach grouped elements so they keep their positions. Without attach, colors can shift between mats and create extra cuts. As you work, notice the left panel. That's where color sync will live, so keep this window handy for the next step. Open the Color Sync panel on the right and scan the list of colors. You'll see every layer grouped by color. Then drag layers from one color group to another to consolidate cuts. This reduces matte swaps and keeps materials efficient. Make sure to replace patterned fills with single color layers if you plan to weed or use vinyl, because prints versus cuts behave differently. Once done, review the matte preview to confirm layers moved correctly and that no small pieces were accidentally reassigned. You're almost done. Confirm matte counts and material types to avoid surprises mid-cut. Then click Continue if everything looks right. Use Attach when you want placement preserved and flatten only for print, then cut designs. If color sync didn't behave as expected, make sure no layers are hidden, because hidden layers won't appear in the panel, and reopen Color Sync to reassign colors. Finally, save a copy of the project before cutting so you can revert if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.